And now for interview with the new hip celebrity out there, Carl the Bear. So, Carl, how do you think it is to be a celebrity? Interesting. So, what else? Do you think it is weird for people, for birds like you, to be celebrities?
Oh, I'm just taking care of it.
Do you think that you act sort of like humans? Oh, okay. What is your guide to being a swag animal celebrity?
Animal celebrity? You need a background, man.
Do you feel like social media has to do with your fame?
What, you want to go over there? Or you want to stay here?
Why did you name yourself Carl?
We should do a voice for him. Yo, that'd be cool.